Food isn't just about nutrition, it's about respect for the land, for the animals, and for our own bodies. When we eat with care, we choose connection over convenience. Building our diet around plants is one of the most powerful choices we can make. Whole grains, herbs, fruits, and vegetables should form the base of most meals. They're nourishing, diverse, and far less demanding on the environment than a meat-heavy diet. Eating with the seasons keeps us in tune with nature. Fresh, local produce is often more flavorful, more nutritious, and it supports the farmers and growers in our community. This isn't about removing meat completely, it's about shifting its role. Meat can be part of a healthy diet: beef, lamb, pork, venison, rabbit, poultry, or game birds. But we can treat it as a special guest, not the main event. Enjoy it in times of need, cold, or celebration. Eat it with gratitude, not habit. When we practice mindful eating, we pause before each meal. We ask, do I need this, or am I simply used to it? That small moment of reflection can change how we choose our food. Start simple. Make plant-based meals your default. Choose seasonal produce whenever possible. Be intentional about every bite. Food is more than fuel. It's how we connect, how we care, and how we thrive.